The Black National Anthem. Lift every voice and sing, often called the Black National Anthem, was written as a poem by NAACP leader James Weldon Johnson, 1871 to 1938, and then set to music by his brother John Rosamond Johnson, 1873 1954, in 1899. It was first performed in public in the Johnsons' hometown of Jacksonville, Florida, as part of a celebration of Lincoln's birthday on February 12, 1900, by a choir of 500 school children at the segregated Stanton School, where James Weldon Johnson was principal. This is the poem. Lift every voice and sing. Lift every voice and sing till earth and heaven ring. Ring with the harmonies of liberty. Let our rejoicing rise high as the listening skies. Let it resound loud as the rolling sea. Sing a song full of the faith that the dark past has taught us. Sing a song full of the hope that the present has brought us. Facing the rising sun of our new day begun, let us march on till victory is won. Stony the road we trod, bitter the chastening rod, felt in the days when hope unborn had died. Yet with a steady beat have not our weary feet come to the place for which our fathers signed. We have come over a way that with tears has been watered. We have come, treading our path through the blood of the slaughtered. Out from the gloomy past, till now we stand at last, where the white gleam of our bright star cast. God of our weary years, God of our silent tears, Thou who hast brought us thus far on the way, Thou who hast by Thy might led us into the light, keep us forever in the path, we pray, lest our feet stray from the places, our God, where we met Thee, lest our hearts drunk with the wine of the world forget Thee, shadowed beneath Thy hand. True to may we forever stand, true to our God, true to our native land. More about James Weldon Johnson. James Weldon Johnson, born June 17, 1871, died June 26, 1938, was an American author, educator, lawyer, diplomat, songwriter, and civil rights activist. Johnson is widely celebrated for his leadership of the NAACP, where he began working in 1917. In 1920, he was the first African American to be chosen as executive secretary of the organization, effectively the operating officer. He served in that position from 1920 to 1930. Johnson established his reputation as a writer and was known during the Harlem Renaissance for his poems, novels, and anthologies, collecting both poems and spirituals of black culture. He was appointed under President Theodore Roosevelt as U.S. Consul in Venezuela, and Nicaragua for most of the period from 1906 to 1913. In 1934, he became the first African-American professor to be hired at New York University. Later in life, he served as a professor of creative literature and writing at Fisk University, a historically black university.